Thank you so much, Ponderosa Events Place. Sobrang happy po kami na nag-celebrate kami ng 99th birthday ng aming nag-iisang lola, Mama Siming. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Ponderosa Events Place. Talagang lahat kami nag-enjoy and na-accommodate yung family namin kahit sobrang rush, sobrang thankful kami doon. And yung naging event is parang hindi siya talaga minadali kasi sulit. All in all, talagang excellent. Thank you so much, Ponderosa Events Place.
Sobrang marirecommend po talaga namin kung need nyo po ng ganitong events place. Talaga pong number 1 siya. Super sulit. At talaga pong sobrang friendly at sobrang bait po nilang lahat. Thank you so much po.